Here are some possible future improvements. In this study, we mainly focus on handling the complex terrain in the mountain areas. However, in complex mountainous regions, the geological hazards are also important or even deciding factors in railway design. Thus, our future studies may take some geologic considerations into our optimization process. Actually, we have already done these works in our recent publications. If you are interested in such works, you can search our related publications. And the second is to accelerate the computation process. This is a very important point for computer-based methods. Since railway alignment design is a very large-scale problem, the computation time is always a major concern for the automatic design process. Fortunately, we have developed a parallel distance transform algorithm, and the corresponding work has been published in the AICE Journal of Transportation Engineering journal. In this journal. If you are interested in this part, you can also search our related studies. And the last is that we only consider the construction cost during this optimization process. In the real world, not only the cost, but also other factors such as the environmental influences, geological hazards, operation capacity are all important, crucial, or even vital factors for alignment design. Thus, multi-objective optimization is also a very interesting research topic for alignment design problems. We have done some studies before in this area. You can also search our related papers by searching Tao Ransong, Wei Li, or Hao Pu. You can find the related studies regarding these three aspects. And it is worth noting that these three topics can be further extended, and it is known by us that it cannot be solved easily. It deserves careful investigation. Here show some related publications you can read. Here comes the end of this class. Thank you very much.